I am so excited to have caramelized onions on the shelf. It is such a beautiful day. So this is what I'm doing. I've got my crock pot of onions outside and I am going to be making some caramelized onions. It's actually 2 bags of onions. So there's probably a good, I don't know, 14 very large onions in there. And you can see how I cut them up. No big deal. And then there's actually 1 stick of butter underneath, and then I put 1 up on the top. So we'll wait. I have it on high, roughly 5-6 hours, just kind of, you know, like when they're done. So I'm going to come out and stir them every couple of hours to make sure all that buttery goodness is getting in there. And yeah, and then I'll get to canning them. So here we are, like 10 hours later. And look at these. They look so good. A little bit of char here and there, but all I did was put the onions and butter. So I'm gonna get these and get them ready to can. Okay, they look absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some tongs and plunk them in these little wide mouth jars. These are the 1/2 pints. And then I have some little baby ones that I'm gonna give out as like little samples. And then I have 2 that I'm going to make some French onion soup for my husband. He loves that. And then we're gonna get these all pressure canned. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm kind of squeezing out the butter. And it does get to be a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Okay, so I got these filled up. I have 6 1/2 pints, 3 little baby ones, and 1 pint jar that I'm going to actually fill with some beef broth. And I just shook it up, and I'm just gonna fill that until about 1 inch, 1/2 inch to the top. And then next thing is, actually a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go through and bubble pop them like normal, and then wipe the rims like normal, and then get them in the pressure canner. So how fun is this? I am going to pressure can outside. It's so beautiful. So right now I've got pressure can, and I'm just kind of using, so this is my Presto digital pressure canner, 12 quart. And so I'm setting it for 70 minutes. That's the amount of time that it needs to safely cook. And then it says insert jars. So I'm gonna go grab the jars. So I'm just going to insert them. And these are wide mouth. I have it up to the line of delineation that they want in there to safely pressure can. We'll see how many it holds. I'll probably have to do 2 batches. And it's not hot or anything right now, so. And 1 more. And then I'm gonna do the big one in the middle. So the time that I'm doing is for pint. I just thought I'd be safe and do it that way. And then I just have these 3 little baby ones left. So I've got the jars inserted, and I am going to put the lid on. Let's see, so install and remove. So you turn it, and then you lock this down. Okay. And then, let's see here. And it turns to warm. Then you just kind of sit and wait. Okay, we're on to heat now. And it's just flashing because I'm videoing. But yeah, so we're on to the heat, and then we just have to wait for it to get up to pressure. And then we'll put this up on the top. Okay, so we are on to the next step. So put regulator on, which I am. So that means it's been going. And I'm just gonna sneak it on to vent. There we go. And it's on vent. And then you push the button. Okay, and there we go. And then pretty soon this will pop up, and it is officially canning now. Okay, so everything is done. And And I'm just taking the lid off. It's been cooling. Oops, been cooling. So I'm just gonna get these jars out and resting for the night. So excited to have these on hand. They're gonna be so good. And I'll have to get a test taste. I'm giving a couple jars out. I did see a little bit of siphoning action, but I think everything looks good. And I'm just gonna do that other quick little batch of those little baby ones, and they'll be good to go. Okay, all right, we're gonna let them cool overnight. Okay friends, thanks for stopping by my little channel. I am so excited to have caramelized onions on the shelf for those fun times. It's just my husband and I, but we love to have burgers with caramelized onions, and that just saves a whole nother step. So let me know down in the comments if you try this. It's so easy, it's so simple. I actually did it outside, but you can do it inside. Makes your house smell wonderful. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you try this. It's delicious. So again, thanks for stopping by my little channel. And if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Okay, let's do a quick test and see if this is the right distance. Okay, I think I keep hitting the record button and I'm not meaning to. Okay, let's try it again.